Today marks the 40th anniversary of one of the most memorable blizzards to ever hit New England. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko takes a look back at one of the most talked about nor'easters.
It's sometimes referred to as the week the state stood still, and it was caused by an historic blizzard that slammed into New England 40 years ago. 20.5 inches of snow fell in the Springfield area during the storm.
I was a rookie in the prison system, in the Connecticut prison system, and because nobody could make it to work that night, we got drafted, and we spent 3 days in that place, working pretty much around the clock. So that's pretty much what I remember about it.
I remember they shut the state down so they could clear the roads, so the people you couldn't even go out and drive. They quarantined the roads, and I remember how high the snow was, probably as high as this around my house.
Even though the blizzard of '78 was bad here in western Massachusetts, it was even worse in the eastern part of the state. Both Boston and Providence, Rhode Island reported over 27 inches of snow. Strong winds along with heavy snow caused whiteout conditions, and travel became nearly impossible. Route 128 became a virtual parking lot with over 3,000 vehicles stuck on the highway. In all, 73 people died in Massachusetts as a result of the blizzard, with damage estimates upward to around $500 million. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.